here are some ways to maximize your financial aid. One, make sure you get the FAFSA in and get it in on time, or get it in as early as possible, and get it to the schools as early as possible. Schools run out of money, they start budgeting how much they're giving out, or start being a little bit more stingy. So make sure you're getting that in early. Negotiate with schools. Schools are their businesses, so you can negotiate with them and get more financial aid based on other offers that you've had. Apply to schools that have just inherently give more financial aid. So private institutions more commonly give more financial aid than others, but also understand what financial aid schools give, because there's need-based financial aid and there's merit-based financial aid. For example, Harvard or Stanford are never going to give anything based on merit because you're not a special snowflake there. Whereas like a smaller private school, you may very well be a special snowflake there and get lots of merit-based scholarships that wouldn't be available to you at say an Ivy League. Keeping money out of the child's name. So money in the child's name counts against you more so than in the parent's name for financial aid purposes. So any money that's in the child's name, trying to get it into the parent's name. Lastly, don't give the FAFSA or the CSS Profile more information than they require. So there's going to be little asterisks on all over there that require different information. Don't shoot yourself in the foot by providing more information or more assets than they're necessarily asking for.